Hello everyone, my name is Suyash Pawar. I am from MIT Academy of Engineering, Pune. Today I am explaining highway maintenance, pavement distresses and causes. So this presentation covers common distresses, maintenance types and the vital role of drainage. Learn how to proper care, prolong pavement life and improve safety. So onwards, first one is common pavement distresses tracking. So there is there are more number of trackings. First one is fatigue, alligator tracking, caused by repeated heavy traffic, loading, leading to interconnected cracks. Second one is longitudinal transfer cracks. So these cracks happens because of result from a temperature changes and a poor construction joints. Third one is block cracking. Cracking caused by the asphalt hardening and the thermal stresses formation from rectangular cracks. So now it's common pavement stresses, rutting and distortions. So rutting. Rutting happens because of the depression in a wheel cracks caused by heavy loads or weak pavement structures. Issue with asphalt mix can ovens run formation. Second one is showing and corrugation. So transverse surface waves from unstable mix and stop and go traffic, leading results from exit binder rising to the asphalt surface. Third one is common pavement stresses because of surface defects. In the surface defects, there are three types: revealing, potholes, and stripping. So in the revealing, loss of surface stones due to poor adhesion and compaction. Into the pothole, low-shaped holes from water damage and trees pro action. And third one is stripping. In the stripping, moisture separation asphalt from aggregate drainage. The next one is causes of pavement stresses because of traffic loading. So, because of traffic loading, the impact on the pavement is because of heavy vehicle impact, the distress happens. Second one is heavier vehicle accelerate pavement damage significantly. Now the equivalent single axle load (ESAL) because of metric of damage potential of various vehicles on pavements. The next one is design consideration. In the design consideration, pavement must be designed for a traffic mix and volume. Because of higher volume and the higher traffic also. Damage examples. One truck can cause as much as damage as thousands of cars. So because of that, we have to design our pavement as compared to the truck. The next one is causes of pavement distresses because of environmental factors. There are many environmental factors happens in our nature, like a temperature variation, freeze thaw cycles, moisture infiltration, UV radiation. Because of temperature variance in our India, there are mainly three seasons are there: summer, winter, and rainy. So because of the continuous change in this seasons, and variation in temperature, pavement expands and contracts, causing stresses and cracks. And due to this expand and contracts in the regular manner, pavement distresses. Second one is freeze thaw cycles. So water freeze and expands, uh, washing cracks and pathways. So this is happen in mainly heavy rainfall areas like uh, Mosenram and Cherrapunji and Mahabaleshwar also. The third one is moisture infiltration. So in moisture infiltration, weakens pavements can cause stripping of asphalt from aggregate. Next one is UV radiation. Because of the greenhouse effect and heavy radiation to sun, UV radiations like oxide, asphalt binder, leading to brittleness and cracking. And example is that asphalt daily temperature swing exceed 1000 degree Fahrenheit in extreme climates. So next one is classification of maintenance and routine maintenance. So how can we resolve this problem of this stress of pavement? So routine maintenance, like in the routine maintenance, uh, prevent preventive tasks and minor repairs to maintain surface condition. Here in the image, like the stress of the road can be fulfilled and concreting, adding concrete into the it and repairing it. Repairing work is shown in this image. Example like crack because of sealing, pathway patching, joint sealing, and stitching, vegetation control, and objective and frequency. In the objective and frequency prevent the deterioration done annually and more often. So classification of maintenance, periodic maintenance. So substational repairs focused on the rehabilitation and surface renewal. So overlays, milling and resupplying, cheap sales and slurry sales. So in this, restore structures improve ride quality over 5 to 10 years and higher cost. In today, India, there is like Samruddhi Mahamarga, which is manufactured for next 30 years. So the earlier method that is designing pavement for 5 to 10 years are going to exhaust, and the new method is for designing a pavement for 30 years are in the trend. So the next one is importance of highway drainage. So why we require highway drainage and why we provide the slopes? We are providing the slopes for highway, and because of the in the rainy seasons when rain and water comes on the surface of highway, then it is very much problematic for everyone for to suffer on the roads. So drainage system will be required to provide a drainage system. In this surface drainage, removes water from pavement damages and hazardous. Second is surface drainage. Extracts water from pavement base to maintain strength. Design feature is that cross slopes, distaches, culverts, and under drainage. So in this image, we are seeing that there is a drainage system provided that beside the highway there is a pipeline providing, and in which there is also slope. So directly water drainage or rainwater are directly coming to this system and pass through away. The benefits of that proper drainage can extend payments life by over and year. So if we provide better drainage system, then simultaneously our highway uh, uh, these stresses are less, and life lifetime of our design pavement is more. So conclusion is that proactive highway maintenance. So early detection, early detection, fixing the stresses early prevents costly repairs later. So if there is a earlier detection of any problem on highway or etc., and repairing also repair in earlier stage, which provide prevents the distresses in, and also prevent the costly repairs afterwards. So if there is a small pothole on the surface of any highway, if we properly maintain within the times, it cannot it cannot extend more. So when we repair it earlier, then it uh, prevent costly repairs afterwards. Second one is effective strategies. So and periodic maintenance improves payment longevity. So strategy which is made up of for project highway maintenance are a number of strategies we are provided, that stitching, extra bitumen, extra layer of bitumen, and etc. Drainage priority. So in a drainage priority, proper drainage is critical for long-term highway performance. So we have to provide a drainage system to every highway. We have to provide any expressway and highway drainage. We have to provide drainage system to every highway and expressway, uh, and after state highways also, and cost savings. So, using these techniques in designing highway, save cost is beneficial for cost saving, investing in maintenance and minimizes values and safety.